Hello, my name is Morton Campbell. I am the Director of Data and Evaluation at the Computing Research Association. I'm here today to talk to you about BPC plans. Specifically in this video, we will identify what a BPC plan is, distinguish between different types of BPC plans, review the components of BPC plans in general, and learn about BPCNet's departmental BPC plan templates. All right, what is a BPC plan? It is a plan of action for broadening participation in computing efforts. That's a broad description. So let's now talk a little bit about different types of BPC plans. There are two main types of BPC plans, departmental BPC plans and project BPC plans. The departmental BPC plans describe a department's actions to broaden participation in computing. These plans are submitted to bpcnet.org for verification, and they are 2 pages in length. Project BPC plans, on the other hand, describe a PI's or more than one PI's actions. They're submitted to NSF as part of proposals for particular solicitations. And there are 2 options for what a project BPC plan could look like. First, there could be a connected project BPC plan. Connected project BPC plans are connected in the sense that they include a verified departmental BPC plan. And then in addition to the departmental BPC plan, there is a description of what the PIs will do specifically in support of that departmental plan. For the way that the roles of the PI is described depends on which solicitation that the proposal is being submitted to. And as of the recording of this video, which is July 2024, the CPS solicitations actually do not allow submission of a connected project BPC plan. A standalone project BPC plan, on the other hand, is a standalone document in the sense that it does not reference a departmental BPC plan. It is 3 pages in total in length, and it's shared by all PIs and institutions included in a proposal. Given that it does not have a departmental BPC plan in it, it needs to include more information in terms of the context, the activities specifically, and it also, of course, it needs to include what the roles of the PIs are. And the standalone project BPC plan is available currently to be submitted as part of core solicitations, SATC, and CPS. All right, now that we covered the general types of BPC plans, let's look at what goes into a BPC plan. Starting with departmental BPC plans, these plans generally have 4 components. Context section describes the context of a department. The goals outlines what are the different broadening participation goals that the department has. And then the rest of the document identifies what the activities in the department that are done in service of broadening participation and some sort of measurement strategy to evaluate those activities. Connected project BPC plans, as I mentioned before, include a verified departmental BPC plan. And in addition to the verified departmental BPC plan, it includes a brief description of what the PI will be doing, so the description of the activity and how the PI will be involved in the activity. Standalone project BPC plans do not include a departmental BPC plan in them, so they have to have many of the same components of a departmental BPC plan, in that they need to describe the context. They also need to identify the intended population of the plan. They describe this general strategy of what the broadening participation strategy is for that plan, and describe PI's preparation as well as measurement plans for assessing the impactfulness of their activities. All right. So in this particular video, I'm covering a very general overview of what the plans are and what goes into them. But you have many resources available to you through bpcnet.org. So I'd like to just go over what some of those resources are with you before we conclude this video. So on bpcnet.org, you can find checklists that walk you through what you need to include in each section of any of the BPC plan types that we discussed today. You can find templates for developing your plans. You can find sample project BPC plans, as well as you can find real-world verified departmental plans that other departments put together. And you can find example activities that you can include in your BPC plans, as well as you can find information on NSF reporting requirements for BPC plans and NSF BPC supplemental funding details that have to do with requesting funding to conduct broadening participation activities as part of proposals submitted to the various size programs at NSF. So before we conclude, I will be reviewing generally how to use the departmental BPC plan templates. So if you go to bpcnet.org and look for the departmental BPC plans page, you will see that there are two particular templates that you can download as a Word document to use. So these templates contain the same information, and they look pretty much very similar, except for some of the information is organized a little bit differently. You could pick either one of the versions, but just pick the one that will work the best for you. So when you download the template, you will see that the document already contains a lot of information in it, and there will also be guidance in the header of the document for you to either leave or replace or delete in terms of the different types of text that's already included in the document. So you'll leave certain types of the text which indicate the section headers and different pieces of information that needs to be in the plan. And there's some information that is color-coded for you to replace with your particular department's plan details. And then it also includes some information that is just there to guide you through the process as a checklist item. And then you'll be able to delete those once you're done. Once you're done checking them off, you can just go ahead and delete them. And once you complete each section of the report, you can of the plan, then you can submit it to bpcnet.org for verification. This process is quite simple. BPCnet expert, once you submit it to bpcnet.org, BPCnet expert consultants will review your plan and give you feedback. The review criteria is the checklist, essentially, that you'll also be able to find on bpcnet.org. Then once your plan meets all of the criteria, then your plan will be verified and receive a BPCnet verification stamp. All right. Well, thank you for watching this video about BPC plans. You can visit bpcnet.org for more details about BPC plans and other BPC-related resources. If you're watching this video as part of the CRA BPC plan workshop, remember to refer to your workshop companion package shared with you during orientation. You can also visit bpcnet.org/events for current and future events, as well as resources from past events. Also, feel free to contact us at bpcinfo@cra.org for any questions or feedback you might have. Thank you for watching.